Welcome to Maths 123. In this question, we have Tn is equal to sin raised to power Na plus cos raised to power Na. So here we have to prove that T3 minus T5 divided by T1 is equal to T5 minus T7 divided by T3. So first here I will put all the values like n is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 7 in this equation. So I'll get all these values. So first let me put n is equal to 1 in this equation. So we'll get T1 which is equal to sin A plus cos A. So next I'll put n is equal to 3. So I'll get T3 which is equal to sin raised to power 3A plus cos raised to power 3A. Next I will put n is equal to 5. So I'll get my T5 in this equation. So I'll get sin raised to power 5A plus cos raised to power 5A. Next I'll put n is equal to 7. So I'll get T7 which is equal to sin raised to power 7A plus cos raised to power 7A. Now I'll take my left hand side which is equal to T3 minus T5 divided by T1. Now I'll put all the values of T1, T3 and T5 in this. So I'll get T3 is equal to sin raised to power 3A plus cos raised to power 3A minus sin raised to power 5A minus cos raised to power 5A. Brackets and put plus divided by this is sin A plus cos A. So now I'll solve this sin raised to power 3A plus cos raised to power 3A. Then I'll multiply this negative inside. So I'll get sin raised to power 5A minus cos raised to power 5A divided by sin A plus cos A. Now I'll take sin terms together. So I'll get sin raised to power 3A minus sin raised to power 5A brackets plus and cos terms together. So I'll get cos raised to power 3A minus cos raised to power 5A divided by sin A plus cos A. Next, so from here I can take sin cube out because this is common. So inside I will be left with 1 minus sin square A. Similarly from here I'll take sin cube A out and inside I will be left with 1 minus cos square A divided by sin A plus cos A. Now from this formula we know that cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So from here we'll get sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A and cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So I'll put these values here. So 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. So we'll get sin raised to power 3 cos square A plus cos cube A, and this value 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. So this is sin square A divided by sin A plus cos A. So next from here see this cos square A and here we have sin square A and cos cube A. So this sin square A and cos square A, they are common, and here we will be left with sin A plus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A. So now I can cancel this and this. So I will be left with sin square A and cos square A. Let me mark this as my equation number 1. Right hand side of my equation which is equal to T5 minus T7 divided by T3. Now I'll put all the values in this. So I'll get sin raised to power 5A plus cos raised to power 5A minus sin raised to power 7A plus cos raised to power 7A divided by T3 which is equal to sin raised to power 3A plus cos raised to power 3A. So next this will become equal to sin raised to power 5A plus cos raised to power 5A minus sin raised to power 7A minus cos raised to power 7A divided by sin cube A plus cos cube A which is equal to, so I'll take sin terms together. So this will become sin raised to power 5A minus sin raised to power 7A plus cos term together cos raised to power 5A minus cos raised to power 7a together, and down I have sin raised to power 3a plus cos raised to power 3a. Now I'll take sin raised to power 5a out, so inside I will be left with 1 minus sin square a, and from here I can take cos raised to power 5a out, and inside I will be left with 1 minus cos square a. This is cos divided by sin raised to power 3a plus cos raised to power 3a. So next we'll put this value. We know what is this. What is 1 minus sin square a? This is equal to cos square a plus cos raised to power 5a, and this is equal to sin square a divided by sin raised to power 3a plus cos raised to power 3a. Then so see here also, from these two terms I can take sin square a and cos square a out. So inside I will be left with sin raised to power 3a plus cos raised to power 3a divided by sin raised to power 3a plus cos raised to power 3a. So here also I'll cancel these two. So I will be left with sin square a and cos square a. Let me mark this as my equation number 2. So let's see what is equation 1. Equation 1 is equal to sin square a and cos square a. Here we got sin square a and cos square a. So it means from 1 and 2, my left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence prove that T3 minus T5 divided by T1 is equal to T5 minus T7 divided by T. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.